Hi, Todd Pigott, President of ZINC Financial, one of the largest fix and flip lenders in the nation and also one of the oldest. Today, we're going to talk about how to fund your fix and flip deal the smart way for maximum profit. So how do you structure a fix and flip financing for maximum profit for your transaction that you're going to buy a distressed property, rehabilitate, and then resell on the open market? The last time I showed you how to analyze a fix and flip deal in a matter of minutes, both on the ARV and the as-is value, and a variety of other metrics. Today, we're diving into something just as important: how to fund your fix and flip deal the smart way for maximum profits and scale your investments. I've been flipping properties for years. As a matter of fact, since 1996. I've done between 400 and 500 fix and flips myself, as well as funding over $1 billion for private investors just like yourself. ZINC Financial is a private lending company that specializes in helping investors close deals fast. We're private money. We're not on the conventional market. So our typical transaction funds in 7 to 10 days. Trust me, I've seen too many investors lose money, not because of bad deals, but because of bad financing strategies. It's very important that you find the right lender to partner with that's a direct lender, but not a broker. ZINC Financial has their own mortgage fund right here in Central California. We push our own green button to fund your deals, and that's very important. Don't rely on a broker, rely on a direct lender. In this video, I will walk you through the right way to structure your funding, the common financing mistakes investors make, and how to make sure your next flip is set up for success. Choosing the right type of financing. Visuals, a side-by-side comparison of the different funding options, is sometimes helpful. Not all financing is created equal. The type of funding that you use can make or break your flip and make or break your transaction. Cash, that's great if you have it, but it limits your availability to scale. Most of our investors have some cash, have some liquidity, but you're unable to scale without the right debt partner. Hard money loans, fast and flexible, but the interest rates are very high. I use the term hard money for those lenders that don't look at credit, don't look at the asset value, don't look at credit, don't look at background and things of that nature. Yes, it's fast, but the interest rates and the costs associated with hard money is often prohibitive for fix and flip transactions. Private lenders, similar to hard money, but there's more of a relationship, more credit driven, more liquidity driven, and there's definitely more of a relationship. Bank loans, low interest, slow, very hard to qualify for, and most banks, because they report to the FDIC, are simply disallowed from financing distressed assets in the first place. Banks are definitely not an option. For most investors, speed is the priority. It's the priority for us, which is why as a private lender like ZINC, that's typically the best choice. Private lending is the best for speed, flexibility, and simply getting the transaction done, and the rates are often less than hard money. The biggest financing mistakes to avoid. Here's where I see investors go wrong with financing. And it happens all the time, and I try to consult them on these obstacles. Not factoring in holding cost. Every month your flip sits on the market, you're paying interest, property taxes, utilities, water and garbage, gardening, and perhaps even pool care. Borrowing too much or too little, underfunding, can leave you stuck in the midst of a renovation. Overborrowing eats into your profits, not having the backup plan, or market shifts. Make sure you have a solid exit strategy for that property. Again, you're accruing a lot of unknown expenses, or hidden expenses rather, on that property daily. So it's important that you have two exit strategies. Typically, when we fix and flip, our first exit strategy is obviously to sell the property. But in the event that we can't, we'll always roll that into a DSCR loan and rent it. Smart investors plan ahead to avoid these costly mistakes. How to get funded fast and close more deals. If you're serious about flipping, you need a lender that moves fast. At ZINC, we understand the urgency. We do deals ourselves. I've been in your shoes many times as an investor. It is extremely frustrating to think that you have a lender that has the ability to perform, and really they're just brokering it to another lender, causing your money that's in EMD and escrow to be at jeopardy of losing it and losing the entire transaction. That's why we make the funding process simple here at ZINC, so that you can focus on what you do best, which is finding and flipping great opportunities. When you're ready to get your next deal funded fast, visit zincfinancial.com or call us today at 888-414-2131. Again, that's 888-414-2131. Nothing is more frustrating than having that deal locked up that you know you're going to make money on and then working with an unreputable lender that's not even a lender in the first place. ZINC Financial is a direct lender. We send all of our own wires. We do our own underwriting. We do our own processing. Work with a reputable direct lender to help you fund your next deal. It's reliable. Speed, ease, and reliability. ZINC Financial way. Thank you for watching.